We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about the Game Controller Necklace for Boys, a product from the Aurosper store. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Game Controller Necklace for Boys has quickly become a popular gift choice for sons, grandsons, nephews, and young gamers in general, especially for occasions such as birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, and graduation. Designed and marketed by the Aurosper store, this necklace is specifically targeted at boys but has also been described as suitable for young men, teenagers, and even girls or women who appreciate gaming culture. The product's first available date was October 19, 2024, and it has since achieved a notable presence in the boys' jewelry category, ranking hash 355, 730 in clothing, shoes and jewelry, and hash 339 in boys' necklaces on Amazon. With an average customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 from 12 ratings, the necklace has garnered generally positive feedback, though some recurring themes and points of critique are worth exploring in detail. The first aspect that stands out from user feedback is the necklace's immediate appeal to children who are passionate about gaming. Many reviewers report that the necklace was received with great excitement and enthusiasm, especially when given as a surprise or as a stocking stuffer during the holidays. One customer described the reaction of their great-grandson as being akin to receiving the moon, emphasizing the necklace's ability to delight young recipients who identify as gamers. This strong emotional response is a testament to the necklace's relevance and resonance with its intended audience. The Game Controller pendant is a recognizable and iconic symbol for anyone familiar with video games, making it an instant favorite among children who want to express their interest through their accessories. In terms of construction, the Game Controller necklace is made of stainless steel, which contributes to its durability and longevity. Multiple reviewers have commented on the chain's thickness and the overall solid feel of the necklace. The chain is described as thick and durable, offering a comfortable length suitable for most young wearers. This robustness is particularly important for children's jewelry, as it needs to withstand the rigors of daily wear and the active lifestyles of young people. The stainless steel material also provides resistance to tarnishing and corrosion, ensuring that the necklace maintains its appearance over time. This makes it a practical choice for parents and gift givers who want a product that will last beyond the initial excitement of receiving it. However, the necklace's durability and solid construction come with some trade-offs. Several reviewers have noted that the pendant itself is quite heavy and larger than expected. While the substantial weight and size contribute to the necklace's sense of quality, they may also present challenges for younger children. One parent who gifted the necklace to their 5.5-year-old son observed that the pendant was somewhat distracting at school due to its size and weight. This sentiment is echoed by others who suggest that the necklace may be better suited for teenagers or older children rather than very young kids. The pendant's dimensions make it a statement piece, which some may appreciate for its visibility and presence, while others may find it cumbersome, especially for daily wear or in settings where a more discreet accessory would be preferable. The aesthetic appeal of the necklace is another point of discussion among reviewers. The Game Controller pendant is designed to be easily recognizable and to evoke the look and feel of a classic gaming controller. While the overall design has been well received, there are mixed opinions regarding the level of detail on the pendant. Some customers have expressed disappointment that the details are not as sharp or defined as they appeared in the product listing photos. This discrepancy between expectation and reality is a common issue with online purchases, where product images may be enhanced or taken under ideal lighting conditions. Nevertheless, most reviewers agree that the pendant is still attractive and serves its purpose as a symbol of gaming culture, even if the finer details are less pronounced than anticipated. Comfort is an important consideration for any piece of jewelry, especially one intended for children. The Game Controller necklace scores well in terms of the chain's comfort, with reviewers noting that it is a comfortable length and does not irritate the skin. The thickness of the chain also adds to the sense of security, reducing the likelihood of breakage. However, as previously mentioned, the weight and size of the pendant may affect comfort for some users, particularly younger children or those unaccustomed to wearing heavier jewelry. Parents and gift givers should consider the intended recipient's age and preferences when deciding if this necklace is the right fit. The versatility of the necklace is another positive aspect highlighted in user reviews. Although marketed primarily for boys, several reviewers have pointed out that the necklace is suitable for anyone who enjoys gaming, regardless of gender. This inclusivity broadens the appeal of the product and makes it a viable gift option for a wider range of recipients. The necklace's design is both playful and stylish, making it appropriate for casual wear, special occasions, or as a fun accessory to showcase one's interests. Gift-giving occasions are a major context in which this necklace is purchased and appreciated. The product is frequently mentioned as a successful gift for birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, and graduation. Its association with gaming culture makes it a thoughtful and relevant present for children and teenagers who are passionate about video games. The emotional impact of receiving a gift that aligns with one's interests cannot be overstated, and the game controller necklace consistently delivers in this regard, as evidenced by the enthusiastic reactions described in customer reviews. Despite its many strengths, the necklace is not without its drawbacks. The most commonly cited issues are the pendant's weight and size, which may not be suitable for all children. Parents of younger children should be aware that the necklace may be too bulky for comfortable everyday wear, and the pendant's prominence could be distracting in certain settings, such as school. Additionally, some customers have expressed a desire for sharper detailing on the pendant, suggesting that the manufacturer could improve the product by refining the design to better match the images shown online. These critiques are relatively minor in the context of the overall positive reception, but are worth considering for those with specific preferences or requirements. In terms of value, the necklace is generally regarded as a good purchase for the price. The combination of durable materials, appealing design, and strong emotional impact make it a worthwhile investment for gift givers seeking a memorable present for young gamers. The product's high customer rating reflects a broad consensus that the necklace meets or exceeds expectations in most areas, with only minor reservations regarding size and detailing. The fact that the necklace has maintained a solid rating over multiple reviews suggests consistent quality and satisfaction among buyers. Performance in daily use is another important factor to consider. While the necklace is durable and well constructed, its size and weight may limit its suitability for continuous wear, especially for younger children. Parents may find that the necklace is best reserved for special occasions or as a statement piece rather than as an everyday accessory. For older children and teenagers, the necklace is likely to be more comfortable and less distracting, making it a more versatile addition to their wardrobe. The stainless steel construction ensures that the necklace can withstand the demands of active use, and the secure clasp reduces the risk of accidental loss. The game controller necklace also serves as a conversation starter and a way for children to express their interests. Wearing the necklace can signal membership in the gaming community and provide a sense of identity and belonging. This social aspect adds another layer of value to the product as it allows young people to connect with peers who share similar hobbies and passions. The necklace's bold design ensures that it is easily noticed, making it an effective means of self-expression. When considering the overall impression of the game controller necklace for boys, it is clear that the product succeeds in delivering a fun, durable, and meaningful accessory for young gamers. Its strengths lie in its robust construction, appealing design, and ability to delight recipients. The main areas for improvement are the pendant's weight and size, which may not be ideal for all users, and the level of detail on the pendant, which some customers feel could be enhanced. Despite these minor drawbacks, the necklace remains a popular and well-regarded choice for gift givers seeking a unique and relevant present for children and teenagers who love gaming. In summary, the game controller necklace for boys from the Osprey store is a standout product in the boys' jewelry category, offering a combination of durability, style, and emotional resonance that is difficult to match. Its appeal to young gamers is undeniable, and its suitability as a gift for a variety of occasions makes it a versatile and thoughtful choice. While the pendant's size and weight may not be perfect for every child, the overall quality and design of the necklace make it a worthwhile purchase for those seeking to celebrate a young person's passion for gaming. If you have experience with this necklace, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.